Anthropic just announced that Claude Fable 5 will be available through July 19th, so 7 more days. And this is like the third time when they have extended the use of Fable 5, which is funny, but still, this is the best AI right now. And I have created some websites. For example, this is fully automated workflow website. I basically create workflows and I upload them on Cloudflare. After that, the AI, and I'm using both. I'm using ChatGPT and Claude. After I upload, it checks every day if something new is right here. After that, it updates everything. It creates a thumbnail, all that. I created this website. As you can see, design is quite nice. That's why if you don't know what to use Fable 5 for, start with website. Start by creating some mini games, or doesn't matter, anything you think will be fun or something like that, because the ideas is that most difficult part right now, because AI can create so much. And how you can do it, you will just go to Claude, you will select settings and co-work and enable. And for ChatGPT, the ChatGPT app, you will basically go to right here, your profile, settings, and computer use. And here you will enable computer use so the AI can use your computer if you want that. Because again, I have my websites. I don't do anything. The AI does everything for me. If you're scared of creating websites because you have to do all the DNS stuff where you set up the website, you don't have to do that anymore. The AI will do that much more effectively. You will not have to spend even 30 minutes or hour learning that stuff. Basically, after you enable this, you will just go back to the application, write your prompt, write anything, choose some model. You can test which works for you better, which works worse for you. So yeah, you can limit what the AI can do. But I'm using full access because I don't really care. I want the AI to automate all the boring stuff that I don't want to do. Yes, 7 more days of Claude Fable 5. By now, I think they shouldn't cancel the Claude Fable 5 at all, because the ChatGPT came out with the 5.6 Sol, which is really, really close. And if they get rid of this one, the Opus 4.8 will not be as great and people will switch to basically ChatGPT. So yeah, crazy news, and let's see what happens next.